Good Wednesday morning, everybody. This is Steve Monday, Chief Forecaster for Rowan County Weather. Wanted to give you a quick look at what the weather is going to have in store for us because we've got some changes coming over the next 24 to 48 hours. First of all, take a look at the current conditions outside, what we can expect as we go through the day today. So you can see 52 degrees in Salisbury this morning, and the temperatures are pretty much in the low to mid 50s all around the county. Those 50s go all the way down into the upstate of South Carolina. And that cool air is going to hang around with us today. We'll give you an update on what the high temperature is going to be shortly. The dew points are going to stay in the 50s today, keeping us nice and pleasant like it was yesterday. So if you enjoyed yesterday, you're going to enjoy today. Let's take a look at the radar and what it's showing for us right now. So here is Hurricane Sally, which made landfall as a Category 2 storm this morning just before 5 a.m. in Gulf Shores, Alabama. The storm will continue to move north for just a little while today before it intersects with a cold front that will bring the storm and turn it to the east. So basically the track of the storm is going to do something like this right here. It's going to come up and then turn and come and go just below Columbia, South Carolina. Now keep in mind, that's just the center of circulation. That's not going to be where the main impacts are. The impacts are going to spread out from this storm quite a bit for us, and I'll show you why that's going to happen here. Let me go ahead and kind of expand the map back a little bit to give you a better view. So the cold front that Sally's going to intersect with is going to be kind of right in here. And there's also going to be a stalled front that's right in there. What that's going to do is that's going to trap all that moisture from Sally, all that rain, and it's going to push it like this. And that pushes it right through the Charlotte metro area, through the Rowan County area, up into the Raleigh Piedmont Research Triangle area, all that. So that's going to funnel in a bunch of rain as we move through the next 24 to 48 hours. Most of that rain coming on Sunday. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the models are indicating. And again, remember, the models are what gives me the ability to provide the forecast to you. It's not an actual forecast from the model itself. It just gives us guidance on what could be happening. So we're looking at 7 a.m. this morning with the model data. And as we continue to move through the day, this is now 10 a.m. This is 1 p.m. This is now 4 p.m., 7 p.m. this evening. So you see the rain starting to make its way into North Carolina, really in the western North Carolina mountain area at this point. There's some off to the east of us as well, but again, well south of us even at 7 p.m. tonight. This is now 10 p.m. See the rain starting to make its way into the Charlotte metro area, and we'll get the map a little closer now that it's getting close enough to us. And continue to take a look at what's going on here. So this again is this is now just at 1 o'clock in the morning tomorrow morning. Rain starting to make its way into the county. This is now 4 a.m., 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. You can see rain literally all over the place here from Sally. 10 a.m. This is now 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, and you notice there's a big swath of heavy rain making its way through the Greenville, South Carolina area. This is now 4 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, 7 p.m. Look at that heavy rain tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. here in the county. This is now 10 p.m. on Thursday, going into 1 a.m. You see the rain starting to break up a little bit, not as widespread as we continue to make our way into the day on Friday. And by Friday afternoon, we start to dry out. So again, a lot going to happen with this storm as we make our way from Thursday into Friday, and it's going to have a big impact on us. The first impact we're going to see is the fact that we are under a moderate risk for excessive rainfall around the county on Thursday. Again, a lot of rain coming on Thursday. We could see as much as 4 to 5 inches of rainfall in the county just on Thursday alone. Now, keep in mind, that's in a 24-hour period, which can lead to localized flooding. It can also lead to river swelling, things of that nature. So we've got to keep an eye on that. That's going to have a big impact on us. As far as what the models are showing, we're looking between 4 and 6 inches of rainfall overall. Again, most of that coming on Thursday. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at what the 5-day forecast has given us here, and we'll bring that up for you. And, again, while you've got the opportunity, it's best to go ahead and get outside today while it's nice and dry and get those gutters cleaned out, get your storm drains cleaned out. Make sure you get anything loose like lawn furniture, your garbage cans, find a place to store those. That way, in case you do get any kind of localized flooding in your yard, those don't get washed off. And also, the winds are going to be gusty. We can see 24-mile-an-hour wind gusts, which aren't very strong. They're not much stronger than what we would get with a general thunderstorm in this area, but enough it could blow your garbage cans over or your furniture around if you got any lawn furniture outside. All right, the 5-day forecast sponsored by SA Sloop Heating and Air. Give them a call, 704-857-5684, or visit them online at www.sasloop.com. Mention to them that you saw the forecast on Rowan County Weather, that they sponsor it. They'll give you $25 off your first time service call. So today we'll see partly sunny skies with a high of 76, low of 64. Again, the dew points in the 50s. It's going to feel great outside today. Get outside and enjoy it, because the next 2 days are probably going to keep you inside. On Thursday, a 100% chance of rain that could be heavy at times. We'll see a high of 70, low of 64. Again, we could see 4 to 5 inches of rainfall just on Thursday alone. So the chance for localized flooding is very high at this point. On Friday, a 60% chance of rainfall, mainly during the morning hours. As we head into the afternoon, we'll start to see those chances become very isolated, down to about 30%. And then by late evening, we start to dry out. High of 70 on Friday, low of 56. As we head into the weekend on Saturday, we're going to see partly sunny skies with a high of only 68 and a low of 50. And on Sunday, sunny skies, high of 68. Look at that, low of 49 degrees on Sunday. So it's going to feel very fall-like as we head into the weekend and head through the weekend. We just got to get finished with Sally first. We'll keep you updated on everything you need to know on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. That's our social media pages, on our website at www.rowancountyweather.com. And you can check us out as well on WSRG TV in Salisbury. That's on Hotwire and Spectrum. As always, thank you for following Rowan County Weather, and enjoy your Wednesday, everybody.